Girl, do you want to see how I spruced up this $5 mirror? Well, if so, keep on watching this video. First, you want to grab yourself some boa. Mine came from Joann'a Fabric. Then glue sticks. Mine came from Joann'a Fabric. And a glue gun of your choice. And of course, you need a mirror of your choice. Mine came from Walmart. I'm going to start by gluing on the center of the frame. I'm not going on the edges because I want the edges to be covered. So by gluing on the center of your frame, it covers the gold. I don't mind if the gold shows a little, but I didn't want my gold to show a lot. Right here, I'm just going back and gluing a little bit more. I felt like it wasn't that secure, so make sure your boa is secure because you don't want it coming off in a couple of days. Alrighty, when you get to the end, you have like these little funny looking end pieces. I'm just going to glue both of those down. So I'm going to glue one right there on the frame, and I'm going to glue the other one to the boa, and I'm going to kind of overlap it. That way you can't see those little funny ends and they're not sticking out, making your mirror look ugh. Alrighty, so when you get to the end, you can choose to cut it off or you can overlap your boa. I chose to cut mine off because I didn't feel like I wanted my boa to be as thick on one side and not the other. So I cut mine off, and I'm going to find something to do with the remainder piece. So after you finish this last step, you can choose to be finished with your mirror. However, I chose to put a backing on my mirror. The backing was right next to the mirror, and it was easy to assemble. I'm sorry if I seem uninterested or I'm not listening. If you're like me, you want to take a tape measure and make sure both sides are even. I couldn't eye it just right, so I had to get a tape measure. You can use a ruler, a yardstick, whatever you need to measure out and make sure both sides are even. You would hate for your mirror to be lopsided on the back of the door. Okay, so here's the final product with the backing on it, and this is how it looks on the door. I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and if you try it, please comment down below and let me know and send me pictures. Bye! Oh, with this music I don't listen to, and I don't want to get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over